Today I'm very excited because I finally got my Angel Reese Barbie. Hello everyone, welcome to Sophisticated DIY. In today's video we are unboxing the Barbie signature collection of Angel Reese. And I bought this doll for two main reasons. The first reason is that I knew she was going to come with the tall Barbie body, and I really want to have different body types in my collection. Look at her. Since this is a Barbie signature doll, the box is really nice. On the back, we have a quote from Angel. Earn every crown you wear, put in the work, maximize your 24 hours, and show the world you are limitless. I really like that. We can also see that the background is a basketball court, and there is some more information about Angel in different languages. This basketball court looks so realistic. I'm amazed by it. Even the lights, they seem totally real. Here at the back, we have the base of the stand and the certificate of authenticity. That's nice. This is a very common Barbie stand. I have to say though, the one that came with my Barbie Basic broke so fast. But this one feels a little bit more resilient. As you can see, she comes with her uniform, her signature leg sleeve, a headband, a necklace with her name, her basketball and her basketball shoes. And look at her face. She's so beautiful. She looks a little bit like one of my nieces. So cute and beautiful. She has so many ties around her. Let me take a look at the ball. But first, look again at the basketball court. Okay, this is the ball. Of course, it says Barbie and it's pink. And she can hold it very well with her arms like this, you see? Like a basketball player, Her top has the number 5 at the front, which is her current number with the Atlanta Dream, and the number 10 on the back, which is the number she wore at LSU and during her first 2 seasons with the Chicago Sky. The shorts are not the best made shorts in the world, but they're okay. What I'm really amazed by are the basketball shoes. They're amazing. Even though they are mostly printed, the level of detail is fantastic. They're so tiny, so small, and so complete. Even the socks look so natural. She can hold the basketball in her hand with the little ring. And now I want to show you her body. But first, of course, I need to make a proper undergarment of her. I think I'm gonna make something special for her. Of course, I'm looking only at my pink laces to make her undergarment. Come on, it's Angel Reese Barbie. This is what I have, and I think I'm going to use the dark pink lace with a lighter base. I'm going to drape the pattern of the undergarment. I think this way will be easier and faster. For that, I use saran wrap or plastic wrap from the kitchen. I wrap her in it. No, I'm not gonna eat it or save her for later. I'm gonna tape her all around. The thinner the tape, the better your pattern will be. This is why I'm cutting it alongside before I tape it to the body. And now I'm just marking what will be the undergarment. As you can see, I'm marking the bra and the panties, but I'm also marking half of it because, of course, I wanted to make it symmetrical. And now that I have everything marked, I just have to cut it out to make it flat. And from there, I'm going to make the pattern. But while I'm working on it, I asked my daughter to read for you the information on the box about Angel.
Breakout star of the Women's National Basketball Association, Angel Reese has made her mark as a fierce forward, becoming a 2-time WNBA All-Star. Off the court, she has built a reputation as a driven entrepreneur and cultural icon, including Play It Forward Angel C. Reese Foundation. The Angel Reese Barbie doll celebrates this legacy wearing a pink basketball uniform with signature legging, Angel Reese 1 Reebok shoes, and headband.
As you can see, I'm designing as I go. But if you want, I can refine this pattern and later make a video about it. Just let me know in the comments. I think it's looking good, huh? Oh, I didn't tell you, but the second reason I bought this doll is a little bit more personal. I don't follow sport at all, but still I know who Angel Reese is, and I've been following her rise to stardom and admiring her from the distance. So I told myself that if I'm going to have a Barbie with someone's likeness in my collection, I thought, what? Why not Angel Reese? I really like her. I want to add a few little pieces of ribbon so it looks nicer. And of course, I need to try on her just to check everything and make any corrections to the pattern. And I feel like everything is looking good. I just have to make a few little corrections and my panties will be ready. And apparently, I picked a very interesting wig to buy an Angel Reese Barbie, huh? And now I'm looking for a little bit of decoration. I think this little bow is very nice. Now I can move to the bra. I think it's looking good too, huh? And I'm going to add as well a little bit of ribbon to this one. So, it looks like a set. And I'm going to try to make a little pendant for the bow at the front. That's it. It's beautiful, huh? Here she is with the new set of undergarments, and I think it goes so well with her skin tone. But what I really wanted to show you is her mobility. As you can see, her arms can turn 360 degrees. She has double jointed elbows, so the arms can completely fold. She also has a joint at the wrist, and of course, she has a manicure. She has a joint at the chest. She can move from side to side, although not so much from front to back. Her head can move front to back and from side to side as well. There is also an extra articulation in the arms. Her legs have a lot of mobility. They have a similar articulation to the arms for rotation, and then she can move the legs side to side and front and back all the way up. She can really bend her legs. She also has articulation at the ankles. And as you can see, although her feet are kind of flat, she can easily wear high heels if you just use the ankle articulation. Very nice. I love that. Let's put her back in her original clothes. This stance holds her very well. And let's take a look at her. She looks so beautiful. Look at all the details, the necklace, the headband, the basketball ball, the basketball shoes, and her leg sleeves. It's a really beautiful doll. I'm gonna have so much fun making clothes for her. This is the first time I have a doll inspired in an athlete. Let me put her next to my Barbie Basic. As you can see, the Barbie Basic is a little bit shorter, and if you put her next to the Xianxian seems to be almost the same height. But there's a big difference between them. If I bend the leg of the Xianxian, it folds much less than the Barbie Basic. But again, the Xianxian has a nicer looking leg line because the joint on the Barbie Basic is not so pretty. And it's the same with the arms. Exactly the same. So what would you prefer? Nicer look lines or more mobility? Her ponytail is beautiful and thick, and her makeup is very nice. I love the baby hairs as well. Now I'm gonna style her with some of the clothes I already have. I'm going to see if I can put her in the skirt from the Xianxian doll. It almost fit her, but it might not be the best choice. So I'm going to change to this black jumpsuit that I made for the Xianxian doll. I think this one works very well. And thank you to the subscriber who gave me the idea of taping the hand so I can put her jacket more easily. And since she's wearing black now, I'm going to remove the pink headband. I'm trying to create style for her for one of those days when she arrives at the court to play a basketball game. I think she will wear something like this. She looks stylish and chic. I'm really committed to making a dress for her. So I'm going to browse the internet and look at some of the looks she has already worn. Oh, look at this one. This is the red dress she wore for her cover on Vogue. This one, no, not my favorite. Oh, look at these angel wings. So I'm going to choose one of them, but I need your help. Which one of these three would you prefer me to make? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Please let me know in the comments. I think I'm going to change these glasses. They are too golden for the rest of the look. Yeah, this black looks so much better. And look at her holding her bag, and she has everything she needs in there. I removed the glasses because her face is just too beautiful to be covered. I think this sculpt captures angel likeness very well. If you find this video useful or entertaining, please give us a hype, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!